Hello, I'm Ruth Marks, Chief Executive of WCVA, and WCVA is a proud partner in the iwill campaign. Today is Share Your Pledge Day, and I'm really pleased to be able to share our commitment to the iwill campaign on this important day. WCVA signed up to the iwill campaign because we feel that volunteering makes a real difference to everybody's lives. We have the chance to promote volunteering with our volunteer centre colleagues across the whole of Wales, and we also ensure that younger people are getting their voices heard throughout all our programmes of work. We've been specifically pleased to get some great results by working in partnership with the iwill campaign and through our funding with Welsh Government. In terms of money, we've given out over £250,000 in grants to support youth-led social action across Wales. In terms of people, we've worked with some fantastic young people all over the country who've been leading grant panels and making decisions about projects in their local areas. For the future, we're going to make sure that we work with young people first, centrally and last in promoting the iwill campaign in Wales. If you haven't signed up to the iwill campaign, then share our pledge today by getting involved with the campaign and getting great advice from WCVA and from your local volunteer centres. Thanks ever so much.